Welcome back to Silicophilic. Have you ever applied a heading style in Microsoft Word only to find that nothing changes? I recently ran into this exact problem. No matter which heading style I selected, the text stayed the same. I even tried modifying the style, but Microsoft Word simply ignored my changes. The styles pane wouldn't open properly, some styles seemed to disappear, and the formatting refused to update. It was incredibly frustrating, especially since I was working on an important document. After trying several fixes, I finally got everything working again. In this video, I will show you exactly what I did to recover words, styles, and the methods that worked for me. Let's get started. Remove direct formatting. One of the biggest reasons styles don't seem to work is because direct formatting overrides styles. If you have manually changed the font, size, color, or spacing, Word prioritizes those manual changes over the style. Here is how to remove direct formatting. Select the text that's causing problems. Go to the Home tab. In the Font group, click Clear All Formatting or Clear Formatting. It's the button with an eraser icon. You can also press Ctrl plus Spacebar to remove manual font formatting. If Paragraph formatting is also incorrect, press Ctrl plus Q. Now reapply your desired style from the Styles gallery. If direct formatting was the problem, your style should now apply correctly. Update the style instead of manually formatting text. Sometimes you keep formatting text manually instead of updating the actual style. As a result, the rest of your document never changes. To update a style properly, format one paragraph exactly how you want it. Then right-click the corresponding style in the Styles gallery. Choose Update Emphasis to match selection or similar option. Now every paragraph using that style updates automatically. This ensures consistency throughout your document and prevents repeated formatting work. Open the full Styles pane. Sometimes the Styles pane is simply hidden or minimized. To reopen it, go to the Home tab, click the small launcher arrow in the bottom right corner of the Styles group. You can also press Alt plus Ctrl plus Shift plus S. If the pane opens, check whether your required styles are listed. If only a few styles appear, click Options at the bottom of the Styles pane. Change Select Styles to Show to All Styles. Click OK. You should now see every available style. Disable Restrict Formatting. Your document may have editing restrictions enabled. When formatting restrictions are active, Word may prevent style changes. To check, go to the Review tab, click Restrict Editing. If formatting restrictions are enabled, click Stop Protection. You may need a password if one was set. Once restrictions are removed, try modifying your styles again. Check if the document is in compatibility mode. Older Word documents sometimes don't fully support newer style features. If your file is in compatibility mode, click File, choose Info. If you use compatibility mode, click Convert. Save the document. Once converted to the latest Word format, style features usually work much better. Turn off Automatically Update. Some styles are configured to update automatically whenever manually formatted text uses that style. This can cause unexpected formatting changes throughout your document. To disable it, open the Styles pane, right-click the problematic style, select Modify. Uncheck Automatically Update. Click OK. Now your style won't change unexpectedly whenever you manually format text. Apply styles using the Style Inspector. If formatting still behaves strangely, use Word's Style Inspector. Click on the small arrow in the Style section. Click the Style Inspector button at the bottom. Here you will see both paragraph and text level formatting. If unnecessary formatting appears, click Clear Character Formatting. This helps identify hidden formatting that's preventing styles from applying correctly. Repair the normal template. A corrupted normal.m template can break styles across the Word. To recreate it, close Microsoft Word, press Windows plus R, type %appdata %/Microsoft/templates. Press Enter. Locate normal.m. Rename it to something like normal.old. Don't delete it yet. Now reopen Word. Word automatically creates a fresh normal template. Check where the styles now work correctly. Reset Word options. If none of the previous fixes work, resetting Word's settings may help. Close Word, press Windows plus R, type regedit. Navigate to hkey_current_user, then software, then Microsoft, then Office, then your Office version, then Word. Rename the data key to data.old. Close Registry Editor. Restart Word. Word will automatically recreate fresh settings. Only attempt this if you are comfortable editing the Windows registry and consider backing up the registry first. Those are the best ways to fix the Styles pane not working or formatting changes not applying in Microsoft Word. If one of these methods worked for you, let us know which one in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Silicophilic. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.